There's this beautiful bag I've seen all over Pinterest. I really want to try to make it. All right, so we're trying to do cultural appreciation and not appropriation over here. So this is a Japanese knot bag, also known as an Azuma Bukuro bag. I'm so sorry. I know nothing of how to speak in Japanese, but it's traditionally made out of kimono fabrics and other scraps and textiles. It's carried around the wrist, and it is currently often used to carry around your shopping and anything that you would like to have with you. The bag is supposed to be very practical and is a commonly used bag in Japan. So now we know more. Because whenever I look to see how much it costs, places it's like $200 or $300 that I don't want to spend on a bag. That's a lot. I found a pattern. I'll link it down below. I am changing it, of course. I'll tell you how I change it. I am going to use the moss stitch. I don't know if the bag itself uses it. It looks like it does from the pictures. But I'll show you guys how to do the moss stitch too if you want to make this bag by yourself. I am doing the moss pattern around the edge of the bag because I think it's really cute. In order to do that, what you're going to do is chain 1, insert the hook into the gap created by the skip in the previous row chain. Do a single crochet in the gap. Chain another one. Look for the hole that's created by the chain 1 of the previous round. Insert the hook and do a single crochet. Chain 1 and then just keep going all the way around until I get the desired height for the bag that I want. All right, I'm almost done with the bag part of the bag. See, I have a problem. This is all the yarn I have left. I have a previous project where I worked with this. I was going to make a doll out of it, but I got tired and I just didn't. So I'm going to unravel the doll and maybe that'll give me, I don't know, not much. I didn't get very far. So I'm going to try to see if I can figure out that when we get to it. This is supposed to be 20 centimeters. It's actually 21 centimeters. All right, so a time update. I'm about to work on the first strap here. It is 11 o'clock. I think I started this around 9 o'clock. It says chain 2, turn, and then it says to single crochet in each chain 1 gap, chain 1 for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 2 and turn, and the pattern says to do this until it gets 12 centimeters long. 12 centimeters is 4.75 inches, 4 3/4 inches. Oh, I think I'm supposed to do this like front loop only. I already started not doing front loop only, so I'm going to continue not doing front loop only. 4 inches. 4 inches is like this big. 12 centimeters is not that long. It's going to like fold in half. Trust the process. I'm not good at trusting the process, but I'm gonna trust it. I'm doing it the way she wrote it so we can see. I actually am not because I already messed it up, but I'm trying. Let me see, this is the yarn update. This is all we have left. And then this is like the doll head that I was telling you guys about that I started. So I'm gonna try to unravel it. Thankfully, it's not fraying at all. It looks like enough curls to be in an Annie wig, to be honest.